Loose tiles on your patio are more than just annoying. They can actually mess up your whole outdoor vibe and even be a safety hazard. So, if you've noticed some tiles popping up or moving when you walk on them, first thing is to clear those loose tiles carefully without breaking them. Next, clean off any old glue or debris from both the tile backs and the patio surface to make sure everything sticks properly. When you're ready to reset, use a high-quality outdoor tile adhesive that's made for weather and temperature changes. This makes a huge difference for durability. Press each tile firmly back into place, making sure it's level with the rest of the patio so you don't end up tripping. After setting all the tiles, give the adhesive enough time to dry, usually about 24 hours before walking on it again. Don't forget to re-grout around the tiles to seal those gaps and keep water from getting underneath. You might want to use a grout sealer after it dries for extra protection against stains and weather damage. Keeping your patio tile work tight not only looks better but also lasts way longer, saving you time and money on repairs later. One of the biggest mistakes with fixing loose patio tiles is using the wrong adhesive or just regular glue. It won't hold up outdoors, and your tiles will just pop loose again. Make sure to get an adhesive designed for exterior use and temperature changes. Another common issue is not cleaning the surface properly before resetting. The old glue or dirt stops the new adhesive from bonding well, so take your time cleaning it right. Lastly, rushing the drying process can ruin everything. If you walk on the tiles too soon, they might shift or loosen, so be patient and follow the drying instructions closely. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot if you want to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff for patio or any home repairs. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for solid work, they help you connect with homeowners who need your skills.